Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is PA and I have made a little tutorial for you today. We are going to look at Tracktion T7 and the free plugin MT-PowerDrumKit and how we can separate the channels on the drums, put them on individual tracks to gain more control over the audio output. The benefits of this action is that you can have separate effects on different drums. You might want to boost your kick drum with an equalizer or have a reverb on the snare, just to mention a few examples. And with that being said, let's get started. But before we do, please subscribe to my channel, and if you find this video useful, please leave a thumbs up. As we can see here, I made a drum loop, nothing special, just so we have something we can listen to. And if we open MT-PowerDrumKit here and check the mixer, you see that we have 13 drums, but we only have 8 outputs. Or 8 channels. So we're gonna have to group them somehow, and we're gonna do that. But first off, we're gonna need one more track here, like so. And yeah, and we can start grouping. We take the snare, the side stick on channel 2, the hi-hat on channel 3, the 3 toms on channel 4, ride on channel 5, bell on channel 6, crash left and right on channel 7, sorry, and China on channel 8, like so. Now we can close this, and if we listen now, we'll hear the bass drum. And now we're going to right click here on MT-PowerDrumKit and choose this option, wrap this plugin in a new rack plugin. And we're going to open it. I'm going to make it a little bigger here so we can see what we're doing. First off, we're going to rewire this. We don't want that. This is the MIDI track, and we only want the MIDI here. So I'm going to drag this to track 2. And now listen, we have the bass drum. We drag the square to snare and stick. We're going to have to rewire. As you can see, the naming here is a little bit funny. It's called discrete 1, 2, 3 up to 16. But actually there are channel 1 left out and channel 1 right out, channel 2 left out, channel 2 right out, and so on. Okay, so let's continue this. You can rename them if you want to, but there's no need actually. You only have to do this once. You can save this as a template when you're done and open a new project with that template. And this will all be done for you. Yeah, there you have it. The next step now, I think we can rename the tracks. Call this drums, MIDI. This one, kick. Just gonna rename them real fast. And finally, China. And now when we're done this, we can select all the tracks, right click, and we create the folder track containing. And we can call this one drums. Now we can minimize. Next step here probably is to create a new track, place it under the kick. Oops. Let's call this one kick EQ. So next thing we want to do with these 2 tracks are we can add AUX Send here on the kick track. On the kick EQ track we add AUX Return, And we also add an equalizer, like so. And now we can change the sound of the bass drum. And you can do this with all the tracks, and you can also create a submix here if you want to. So submix, kick, and have all your effects here in the submix, and you can minimize them when you don't use them. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Really means a lot to me if you do. And see you next time. Bye.